The idea that human beings are the product of an extraterrestrial scientific experiment has been a popular topic of debate and speculation for many years. While there is currently no scientific evidence to support this theory, it continues to capture the imagination of many people who are fascinated by the mysteries of the universe and the origins of life on Earth. One of the key arguments in favor of the idea that human beings are an extraterrestrial scientific experiment is the concept of panspermia, which suggests that life on Earth may have been seeded by microorganisms that were transported to our planet from elsewhere in the universe. This theory is based on the idea that the building blocks of life, such as amino acids and other organic compounds, can be found throughout the universe and may have been carried to Earth by comets or other celestial bodies. While panspermia is an intriguing concept, there is currently no evidence to suggest that life on Earth was deliberately seeded by an extraterrestrial intelligence. In fact, many scientists believe that the process of abiogenesis, in which life arises from non-living matter through natural processes, is a more likely explanation for the origins of life on our planet. Another argument against the idea of an extraterrestrial scientific experiment is the vast distances involved in interstellar travel. While it is certainly possible that advanced alien civilizations exist elsewhere in the universe, the likelihood of them being able to travel to Earth and conduct experiments on our species is extremely remote. Furthermore, the idea that human beings were intentionally created by aliens raises a number of questions about the nature and purpose of such an experiment. What was the purpose of creating human beings? What were the parameters of the experiment? And why would an advanced civilization choose to create life on Earth rather than on another planet? Despite these objections, the idea of an extraterrestrial scientific experiment continues to capture the imaginations of many people. It raises questions about the nature of our universe and our place within it, and it challenges us to think about the possibilities of life beyond our own planet. However, it is important to remember that theories such as this one should be approached with a healthy dose of skepticism. While it is always interesting to consider alternative explanations for the mysteries of the universe, it is important to base our beliefs on empirical evidence rather than speculation or conjecture. The question of whether human beings are the product of an extraterrestrial scientific experiment remains unanswered. While there are many mysteries surrounding the origins of life on Earth, the scientific community generally agrees that natural processes such as chemical evolution and natural selection are the most likely explanations for the emergence of life on our planet. While the idea of an extraterrestrial scientific experiment is certainly intriguing, it should be approached with caution and skepticism until there is empirical evidence to support it. There is currently no evidence to suggest that humans are an extraterrestrial experiment. While the origins of life on Earth are still not fully understood, scientists generally believe that it is the result of natural processes that occurred on our planet over billions of years. The hypothesis of humans being an extraterrestrial experiment fails to provide any specific evidence to support its claims. While there are many unanswered questions about the origins of life on Earth, there is no direct evidence that supports the idea of extraterrestrial intervention in human evolution. There are many other explanations for the complexity of life on Earth that do not require the involvement of extraterrestrial beings. For example, environmental factors, such as changing climate and geological events, can play a significant role in shaping the evolution of life on Earth. The possibility of extraterrestrial life and its impact on human evolution cannot be ruled out. There is no scientific evidence to support the hypothesis of humans being an extraterrestrial experiment. It is important to approach such ideas with a critical and skeptical mindset and rely on scientific evidence and data to form our understanding of the world around us. However, the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe cannot be ruled out, and it is always possible that we may discover evidence of extraterrestrial life or some kind of extraterrestrial intervention in the future. However, until such evidence is found, it is best to remain open-minded but grounded in the available scientific evidence.